Hello everyone, this is Julian Popilov from the Agenda Management System team. The product owners for this project are Jay Alvarez de la Campa and Margaret Brisbane, and the mentor for this project is Dr. Masood Sajjadi. So today I'll be going over the documentation tools user story. And this user story mainly consists of on having a Confluence page in the team project space where we go over a description of all the technologies that we made use of over the course of development. So the acceptance criteria for this user story was pretty much having a description of why we chose to use React, why we chose to use Bootstrap, and the same applies for AWS for all our database stuff. And the main reason we consider this as a user story is because we want to provide future teams with the right mindset when they start a project to really have the same mentality we did, for making use of the same technologies and tools for developing the application. And we felt this was important mainly because we want to provide the same type of standard in development for future teams, because we feel like that will make the project a lot less tedious, and it will improve productivity by a lot. So to show you here, if we go to Confluence and in the AGDA space team space, we have a documentation tools page, and as you can see here, we have a brief overview of what this document consists of. And if we take a look here, as I mentioned earlier, it's pretty much to help understand future teams, future developers behind the ideas and decisions that were made over the course of development as to which type of dev environment and database utilities we would be making use of for this particular project. As I was trying to iterate before, it's very important that the documentation is clear for both internal audiences, such as the team, for example, and external audiences. And this mainly to highlight the pros and cons of the different tools that were made to contribute to this particular project. So down here we have the tools that we made use of, and for each tool, we wanted to have first a brief description of what the tool is and what it's capable of. Secondly, and the most important point, is a description of why we chose it for this particular project. And here we have an explanation, for example, for the React tool. And after that, the next point to highlight is the importance of the particular tool. So again, to reiterate, we really felt like this should be a user story, mainly to keep future teams having the same mindset that we did when developing this particular project. And that way, even when talking with the product owners for this project, they will already have a head start in terms of the technologies that they have to make use of, and pretty much the whole mindset of the project. So yeah, that's basically the main idea behind this documentation tools user story. If you have any further questions, you can use the following information to either contact Dr. Masood Sajjadi or myself. Thank you.